Hey there, upholstery peeps, it's me, Amy, and welcome back to Artisan Upholstery Studio. Today, I was working on a chair and I found a broken no-sag spring. So I thought maybe you would like to see how that is properly replaced. I've done a video on how to replace the spring clip from underneath, the super easy way that anybody can do. Well, this is going to show you how to properly replace a no-sag spring on a chair where you are upholstering the chair. So have a look and tell me what you think. So you can see how I've removed the offending broken spring already. You just pry the clips out. There's little nails, pry them out, thing comes off, and there would be no tension because the spring is broken, so it's a pretty safe thing to do. So first thing that we need to do to replace the spring is to put new clips on the frame and make sure that they are going the same direction as the other clips. So the next step is to cut a new spring that's going to fit in here, and you don't measure it with a measuring tape. What you do is you count the loops, and that's how you know how long to cut the other one. So we got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12 loops. So we're going to cut our no-sag spring 12 loops long. No-sag spring is sold on a gigantic roll like this one, but you might not need that much. So if I can find a link on Amazon to buy just a little bit, I will put it in the description below. Alternately, you can check your local upholstery supply store and see if they can do the same thing. 10, 11, 12. So there are many ways that you can cut spring wire. I used a little mini grinder on my Dremel tool, but you could also use bolt cutter, wire cutter, one of those, handheld thingamajiggers if you have one. I don't have one, and I really like to see those sparks fly. So before we do the next step, we're going to see if it fits on the chair, if I measured correctly. It's a little higher than the others, so I think I'm going to take a loop off. Yep, that's going to be better. So this little fancy jigamadoo is for crimping the ends of your springs so that they don't slide out of the clips on your chair when you're bouncing up and down on the chair, which I know you like to do because it wouldn't have broken otherwise. So this little tool has a hole in the top here, and it can be fastened to your workbench on the side, but it works better this way on mine. What can I say? So the end of the spring goes in there. Puts a little crimp on there. Now, sometimes it's easy to pull it with your hands, and And sometimes you want to use this tool, which will make it a little bit easier for you. So you just wrap that around there and then use the leverage to get the spring on. Now once that spring is on, you can nail it down the rest of the way. And I'm afraid that was the easy part, because now you have to reupholster that chair. Till next time, thanks for watching.